Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about must-haves for your sewing station. Now there are so many tools out there that can help us sewists succeed, so it's good to know which ones you really need before you can part with your money. So I'm going to go through my list of top 9 sewing tools, some of which you can buy and some which you can find around the home. My first must-have sewing tool is a fork. Yes, a fork. So instead of buying lots of individual size zips, you can buy a zipper by the yard or by the meter, but getting the zip pulls on can be quite tricky. So there's a little tip where you can place the end of the zip pull on a fork like this. You can either kneel on it on the floor, as I am, or clamp it to a table, and then gently pull the zipper tape through. And there you have it. My second must-have is Floss Threader. These are little gadgets designed to help people floss, but they are perfect for threading needles too, particularly in tricky places on your serger or overlocker. They're also handy for threading cover stitch. And I have to give a shout out to my friend Lisa for introducing me to these because they have been a lifesaver. Thank you. And number 3 is chopsticks. There are so many uses, from helping you turn sewing projects the right way round to making corners nice and sharp. And number 4 is the tailor's awl. Now these are really good for putting holes through thick fabric when you need to attach fixtures and fittings, but they have another use. If you are sewing tricky, slippery fabric, the spiked end is great for holding it in place close to the foot to keep everything in the right place. Number 5 is a glue stick. Now make sure it's washable and solvent free. You can test on a bit of fabric first to see if it washes away, but I haven't had any problems. You can use it anywhere you need to stick something down to hold it before you sew it. You can use it for holding hems, attaching Velcro, or even holding zips in place. Number 6 is a walking foot. Now this one will cost you, but I really love using mine. I use it all the time. It solves that annoying thing where you sew 2 pieces of fabric together and get to the end and then one seems longer than the other. It can happen because the top and bottom layers are not pulled through the machine together at the same pace. The walking foot drags the top layer at the same pace as the bottom layer. Problem solved. And number 7 is my quilting ruler. Now, I don't even do quilting, but these are amazing for when you need to quickly and accurately measure across a big piece of fabric for cutting. And for number 8, another ruler, but this time a flexible ruler. This is so handy for grading patterns between sizes, or placing on your own body to work out why you might need a pattern adjustment. And last but not least, the Tailor's Clapper. Now, this is really helpful when you're pressing hems. You press the hem with an iron, and you put this on top and it takes the steam and heat out, so you get a nice sharp edge. So that's all from me today. I hope you found those handy must-haves useful, and please remember to subscribe below for more great sewing tips.